Okay, so I'm going to be finding the greatest common divisor of 24, 16, and 36 in 3 different ways. And my first way is by labeling the factors, which I did so already. So we're going to look for the divisor that goes into each of them. One goes into each of them, but we're going to check to see if there's a greater one. There's 2. And then there's a 3 here. There's no 3 here, and there's a 3 here. So we can just cancel that out because we need it to be in each one. So then we're going to check on the 4. There's a 4 here, and a 4 here. So we're going to check if there's a greater one. There's a 6 here.
We can each take turns.
There's an 8 here, so that means there's no 6. So anything from that we can just cancel out. So then our greatest will be 4, since it is in each of them. So my next method in finding the greatest common divisor is going to be the factor tree. So I'm going to do the factor of 24 and 16 and 36, so I can use 8 times 3, and then I can use 4 times 4, and then I can also use 9 times 4, and then I can take out the numbers that go into them. So this is 3 times 3, and this is 2 times 2, and then I can take out 2's from this one and this one. And then so 3 here, we can take out a 4 and a 2, but we can still do that. And then the 3, we can't take out anything out of it since it's prime, so I'm just going to underline the numbers I am left over with. Okay, so I'm going to check to see if there's a 3 in each of them. So there's a 3 here, there's no 3 here, and there's 3 here. So we need the number to be in each of them, so I can easily cross out all 3's. And then I'm going to check my next number, which is a 2. I can check there's a 2 here, there's 1 2 here, and there's another 2 here. So I can circle that, and then take out a 2 since it's in all 3 of them. And we're going to multiply that if there's any other number. So we're going to check there's a 2 here, there's a 2 here, and there's a 2 here. So we can circle those. 2 and 2. And we can check to see if there's another one, but since there are no more left over in this one, there's going to be nothing else. So our final answer is going to be 4. So for my third method in finding the greatest common divisors, I'm going to be using the ladder method. And since they are all even, I'm going to start off by dividing it by 2. So 2, and then I have 8, 12, and 18. So then they're still even. I can divide it by another 2. So I get 4, 6, and 9. But since these 2 are even and this one is odd, I can't divide it by any further. They don't have any more common differences. So I can just multiply these 2, and then my answer is